A major twist in the Karmelo Anthony appeal this morning. The judge who oversaw the original trial was recused Wednesday, and this means now that a new judge will oversee this morning's hearing for a new trial.
So Trevor Sohaki has been following this case closely for months now, but joins us live at the Collin County Courthouse in McKinney. Trevor, we just want to kind of specify here, this does not guarantee that Anthony will get a retrial.
No, it does not, Madison. This new judge could grant Karmelo Anthony's request for a new trial, or he could deny it and send the case to an appeals court. Now, this new judge is retired Kaufman County Judge Michael Chitty. He was appointed after Anthony's attorneys argued the original judge, John Roach Jr., gave an improper public interview 2 days after the trial ended. The South Texas judge yesterday agreed, saying in part, quote, "Would they have a concern about the judge's impartiality based upon those statements under that limited finding? I'm going to grant the recusal that a third party looking in would have that issue."
You're not supposed to comment on cases while the case is still in the trial court. There's still motions that have to be heard before this case can go up on appeal. So it jumped the gun. The fact of the interview was too early.
Supporters of Karmelo Anthony cheered and celebrated together after the recusal was granted. Dallas pastor and candidate for Congress, Reverend Frederick Haynes, helped coordinate one group of supporters for Anthony and the call for retrial.
We are not insensitive to the fact that a life was lost, but we also don't believe that two lives should be lost through injustice.
While prosecutors did not speak after the ruling, in a statement, Anthony's lawyers said in part, quote, "We look forward to Karmelo's opportunity to present on the motion for a new trial tomorrow before what we believe will be a neutral and impartial judge." Anthony has been serving his 35-year sentence in a Central Texas prison for the last 2 months after a jury found him guilty of murdering Austin Metcalf at a Frisco track meet last year. The 19-year-old has maintained he stabbed Metcalf in self-defense. And just like yesterday, there were a group of supporters that are now moving towards the courthouse behind me. You may be able to see some of that motion behind me. They're getting ready to line up right outside the courthouse, and some of them will be in the courtroom today. Now, they are lined up outside there, but the hearing does not start today until 9 a.m. We will have a reporter inside the courtroom and bring you the very latest. Live in McKinney, Trevor Sohaki, CBS News, Texas.